Hey there, YouTube TV enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features to make your streaming experience a breeze. Today, we're tackling how to use Multiview on YouTube TV in 2025. If you're a sports fan trying to catch multiple games at once or just want to multitask your viewing, Multiview is your new best friend. It's an awesome feature that lets you watch up to 4 live streams simultaneously on a single screen, perfect for the busy 2025 viewer. First things first, make sure you have the latest YouTube TV app updated on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile. Once you're all set, open the YouTube TV app and head to the home screen. You'll notice a Multiview option prominently displayed, especially in sections like sports or live events. Click on it to get started. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Select the Multiview tile. You'll see a variety of preset combinations, like watching 2 NFL games side by side or mixing in a news channel. Choose the one that suits your needs, or customize it by tapping the Customize button. Here, you can pick specific channels or events to include, up to 4 at a time. Step 2. Arrange your layout. YouTube TV makes it easy to resize windows or swap positions for the best view. Just drag and drop to prioritize your favorite stream. Once you're happy, hit play, and you're golden. The audio will default to one stream, but you can switch it by selecting another window. A few tips to enhance your experience. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as Multiview can be data intensive. Also, note that not all content supports Multiview, so it's mostly available for live sports and events. If you run into issues, double-check your device compatibility on YouTube's help page. There you have it. Using Multiview on YouTube TV in 2025 is straightforward and super fun. It transforms how you watch TV, making it more interactive and efficient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.